Hello everyone. It is March 9th, 2026, and I am uploading this short video clip to continue the process of establishing a track record documenting forecasts based on AeroPrice dynamics in an effort to confirm that the validity and reliability of this system of technical analysis might, in all honesty, have no rivals. That said, the Aussie dollar Japanese yen has begun leaning slightly bullish, so that as long as price holds above 110.91, my bias will be to buy the pair, even though it is presently bumping up against upper resistance, meaning it doesn't have much room to the upside at the moment from a statistical probability viewpoint. So in practical terms, I'll be waiting for a deep pullback and then look to go long as soon as the shorter-term jet streak reverses direction to set up the next leg higher. As for the Aussie dollar US dollar, it looks pretty neutral right now, so I'm staying on the sidelines for the time being and watching to see if the recent 3-day action follows through with a real push lower after the pair's 3-month run-up. If price does start rolling over and the 7-day flow confirms the shift, I'll be more confident about jumping in on the short side. The euro-dollar Japanese yen also looks to be adopting a bullish sentiment, so it too becomes a strong buy candidate if price comes out of a pullback anywhere above the 182.89 level. I think it might almost be a mistake to attempt to project what the euro-dollar US dollar may do. Sure, it spent most of the last 24 hours climbing higher, a bullish maneuver, but that puts it at the top of the daily price range, leaving almost no reason to conclude that it might climb higher. Except that the day-to-day trend has been falling for 6 days straight and might, at this point, opt to turn north. But in any case, all of that notwithstanding, here is the bottom line. The 8-hour price flow channel is beginning to turn north, so as long as price is not pulled back below 1.1557, it will be perfectly justifiable to enter a long position if and when the pair exits a pullback somewhere within proximity of this boundary. The British pound Japanese yen is also a buy candidate if it exits the next pullback above the 211.22 level. The cable US dollar is likewise a buy candidate following the next pullback, at least if the rate maintains a position above the 1.3346 level, even though it's been more or less neutral over the last 3 days. The US dollar loonie might be primed for a buy since it is meandering around support. However, the 8-hour price flow channel is still bearish, so at the present time, this pair is hands-off for me. The US dollar chief is essentially neutral, though I might try selling it if it climbs high enough, but not too high. The US dollar Japanese yen is a buy candidate seeing as how it is presently sitting on daily support, except given that 8-hour price flow is currently neutral, meaning that one would first need confirmation that the day-to-day trend isn't initiating a reversal to the south. Well, that's all for now. So let me wish everyone the best of luck. And until next time, if indeed there actually is a next time, stay awesome. But bye for now.